Hey guys, how are you all doing? I hope everybody is fine. I hope everybody is cute. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, please do well to subscribe and click the notification bell so that anytime I upload any video, you'll be able to be notified. Yes, guys. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how much I got on my YouTube short. Guys, seriously, this is a good news. Yes, since when I got monetized, I've never get so much on this particular short. Seriously, like all my short, I've never get so much amount of money on this short. Yes, guys. So when I got monetized, I was like, when am I going to see even $1? When am I going to see even 1 cent on my video? Or on my dashboard, I mean. So there is this one particular video that this particular shot that I just check it day before yesterday, and I saw massive income on that shot. Seriously, I love it, and it's very, since if I can see something, yes, I'm glad and happy that yes, YouTube is actually paying. Yes, seriously, guys, this shot on this shot, seriously, it was mind blowing. I can't even believe that I will get this amount of money on this shot. Seriously. Yes. So let's dive into it right now. Let me go and show you how much I get on that shot now. Let's go, guys. Enter. This is what the video get. The views, 1000 views. And you can see the audience retention. You can see the real time 80. Yes, very good. You can see. I won't thank God. The traffic, the reach, yes, the reach got 1000 reach. You can see how viewers find this video, yes, through YouTube search and through channels, yes, and others, yes. You can see it, yes, how viewers find this video. Yeah, the external site, yes, you can see Samsung, yes. So YouTube search time, you can see, yes. Yeah, so I love the YouTube search time, and we'll soon move to the engagement. Just see the YouTube search time. Yes, see the engagement. This YouTube short got me 619 engagement. Yes, how viewers engage. You can see swipe away 66.3%. Yes, yeah, sorry, stay and watch 66%, while swipe away 33.7. Yes. Audience retention, thank you. Love you guys. Thank you for your support. See the like and dislike. Yeah. So let's go to audience. This is how audience. Yes. Yeah. You can see 45%. Yes. 45. You can see how viewers also watch my other videos. Yes, you can see it. Thank you. My other videos, those are my YouTube short that the viewers watch. The device, some use mobile phone and watch, some use tab, some use computer, some use TV and watch this my short. Yes, yeah, the age, 60 something people, 60 something people watch it. And the age, you can see the age that some people watch their age. Yes, the male, the female, they are the ones that they watch this short mostly. Yes, the female, they are the ones. The geography, USA, UK, the South Africa, USA has 76. I love you, my UK fans, my USA fans. I love you guys. My UK fans, I love you too. South Africa, I love you too. So I love you guys all. You can see the subtitle English. So this is the main. Let's go to the main purpose of this video, the revenue of this video. Yes, let's go to the revenue of this video. We'll soon get there. I love you, my UK fans and my US fans. US, they are the one that watch most. I love you guys. With Canel, South Africa, I love you guys. Thank you so much, guys, for everything that you are doing for me. Yeah, most especially my US fans. I love you guys. Yeah, so see the top geographical. Yes, the top geographic. Yes, thank you so much. I love you guys. So let's move to the revenue of this video. Yeah, we are there now. So this video gave me 0.17 cents. This short gave me 0.17 cents. Yes, I so much love this. God bless you all. Thank you so much, guys. Seriously, I love this short. This is my most earning short. Thank you so much. I love you. So, as you have watched it, don't you like it? Yes, I know you can't wait to get monetized like me so that you will start getting money from YouTube. Yes, so guys, as you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, just like and comment for me. I love you guys. I will catch you in my next video. Cheers. Bye.